So he's the friendly guy.
This is Dominic Cat.
Okay.
So he's like intimidating everybody before
He's the dominant one, so he's just trying to intimidate because he wants to eat first.
he has Paul intimidated out there. He won't come in yet.
Aww.
It's okay.
He won't come in.
Holy cow.
They're huge.
He
Mama,
had,
look at me.
we work with the
New
universities.
tigers were that big.
I didn't either. This is amazing.
Hey Keith, how are you?
George is good.
You know, when they stand up, we'll take one outside and stand them up. They're about 10 feet tall.
Oh my goodness.
Does TJ have a fit?
Yeah, because he knows food is good. So he's trying to scare everybody. He does a pretty good job of
So
it.
you haven't done any breeding on site?
No. It's a girl.
And the number one health problem
But
with
she isn't going to have any
animals and
babies.
humans
No,
is stress.
not right away.
Things just go a lot better.
I can't
No,
believe
you
how
can't.
big
We
they
can
are.
make them.
Her name's Dee.
We've never done that. We just like it.
I never knew tigers were that big. I thought they were small.
These are the smallest ones.
It looks like those two are playing Ring Around the
I know.
Rosie.
They're
Or it
They're
looks
sisters.
See the claws coming out?
Oh my gosh, look at those claws.
Get right here and you'll see him
Let's
stand up.
save a couple from Mexico stand up outside.
Look at the white one.
I didn't see it.
He'll stand up in a minute.
The bones crunch.
He doesn't think anybody else should do it.
Right.
This is done. What do you think of that, Kenzie?
Wow. See how big they are?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
They're tall. They're tall.
Holy
They
cow.
look like they're as tall as two daddies put together, right? Daddy, they're as tall as two yous put together, right? Right, Daddy? Right?
Yes.